Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the search engine Google Doodle is celebrating Ludwig Guttmann. Do you know about who was Ludwig Guttmann? Let's tell about this topic. Today's doodle, illustrated by Baltimore-based guest artist Ashanti Fortson, celebrates the 122nd birthday of Jewish German-born British neurologist Professor Sir Ludwig Popa Guttmann, founder of the Paralympic movement. Let's talk about his life story. Sir Ludwig Popa Guttmann was a German-born British neurologist who established the Paralympic Games in England. A Jewish doctor who had fled Nazi Germany just before the start of the Second World War. He is considered to be one of the founding fathers of organized physical activities for people with a disability. He was born on 3rd of July 1899 in Tost, within Upper Silesia. His family moved when he was 3 years old to Silesia city of Konskik, where he passed his Abitur at the Humanistic Grammar School in 1917 before he was called up for military service. Guttmann first encountered a patient with a toe injury in 1917 while he was volunteering at the accident hospital in Konstanz. The patient was a coal miner who later died of sepsis. Guttmann started his medical studies in April 1980 at the University of Breslau. He transferred to the University of Freiburg in 1919 and received his doctorate of medicine in 1924. He was known for founding the Paralympic Games and profession was a neurologist. By 1933, Guttmann was working in Breslau as a neurosurgeon and lecturing at the university. Guttmann learned from the pioneer of neurosurgery, Alfred Förster, at his research institute. Despite having worked successfully as the first assistant to Förster, Guttmann was expelled from his university appointment and his job in 1933 under the Nuremberg laws, and his title changed to Krankenhandler, one who treats the sick. With the arrival of the Nazis in power, Jews were banned from practicing medicine professionally, and he was assigned to work at the Breslau Jewish Hospital, where he became medical director in 1937. In early 1939, Guttmann and his family left Germany because of Nazi persecution of the Jews. An opportunity for escape had come when the Nazis provided him with a visa and ordered him to travel to Portugal to treat a friend of Portuguese dictator Antonio de Oliveira Salazar. Guttmann was scheduled to return to Germany via London, where the Council for Assisted Refugees Academics arranged for him to remain in the UK, United Kingdom. He arrived with his wife Else Samuel Guttmann and 2 children, a son Dennis and a daughter Eva, as 6 in Oxford, England on 14th of March 1939. British Home Office on their behalf and gave Guttmann and his family to help settle in Oxford. Guttmann continued his spinal injury research as the Nuffield Department of Neurosurgery in the Radcliffe Infirmary. For the first few weeks after arrival, the family resided in the Master Lodge of Balliol College with the Master Sandy Lansky until they moved into a small semi-detached house in Launcesland Road. Both children were offered free places by the headmistress of Grey Coats School. The family were of the Oxford James community, and Eva remembers becoming friendly with Miriam Marzulli, now a famous actress. As neurological surgeon in charge of the spinal injuries center at the Ministry of Pension Hospital, Stoke Mandeville, he was appointed officer of the Order of the British Empire in the 1950 King's Birthday Honours. On 28th of June 1957, he was made an associate officer of the Venerable Order of St. John. He became the first editor of the journal. He retired from clinical work in 1966 but continued his involvement with sport. And Gutmann suffered a heart attack in October 1979 and died on 18th of March 1980 at the age of 80. So today the search engine Google Doodle is celebrating 122nd birthday of Ludwig Gutmann's birthday. Happy birthday Professor Sir Ludwig Gutmann. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon too. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.